How's it going, guys? Mick here. Now in today's video what I'm going to be doing is installing my brand new Linux screen. So if you don't know what a Linux screen is, it's an alternative to an Android screen like what you would have seen in my 4 Series that I previously used to own. Now with the Linux screen, it's not running off the Android operating system, so I don't think it's actually got like an operating system at all. However, this screen only runs Android Auto and CarPlay, so you can have both options in wired or wireless. So this is my current setup at the moment. It's just the normal, well, I've got the old controller, but I've got MBT in there, so business navigation. But yeah, I just wanted CarPlay again because I did have like an Android screen in this car, but I did get rid of it because I was going to go down the OEM route. But yeah, I come back, I've done a full 360, and yeah, I want not CarPlay, Android Auto again. So yeah, I'm gonna run a clip of me just obviously showing you, well, unboxing that and then going through all the parts. So yeah, I'm gonna run that and then we're just gonna get straight into the install. So here's all the parts laid out now. So at the screen, you've got the USB cables, you've got the quad lock adapter, so this goes into the back of the head unit. This part goes directly into your head unit in the car, and then this side snaps onto the original harness that the car came with. Obviously got your AV connector, sorry, aux connector as well. And I'm not sure what this one's for, if it's even labelled. 5 AV out, so it's not something that I'll be using. And then you've obviously got this as well for the reverse camera, which I can add later on along with 2 others, if you can actually see them there. And then lastly you have the adapter that snaps onto the screen to make it fit my car, which is like, so this one can fit all 1 Series and 2 Series models. That does include the 2 Series Active Tourer and the Grand Tourer as well. But yeah, like, just give you a quick look at the screen. I'll keep the screen protector on. It's really nice. And then you can see the back as well, so you've got the connectors, and that's where the screen cable goes in. And then you can see like these little holes here, so that's for the adapter here. So you can see the little pieces that would snap into the hole that I just said. Mind you, it did come with these 2 holes where it does line up to screw ports, but no screws were actually provided in the box, so not sure if you definitely need them. But yeah, I'm gonna obviously get that installed. Another thing as well, I'll need to see when I actually install the unit is if it actually needs the aux cable to be plugged in for the audio to work, because there's no aux cable actually included in the box. So if that is the case, I'm gonna have to go and obviously order one or find one from anywhere. But yeah guys, I'm gonna head over to the car now, get this all installed. Yes guys, so I'm back. Finally got everything put back together and here it is. So Linux screen is finally fitted. Obviously I've got Google Pixel, so I'm gonna be demonstrating Android Auto. So as you can see, it's fully functional, fully touchscreen, as you can see there. Obviously not gonna go into full details of where I live. Obviously music playing on the side, then you've got the full system here, so you can do whatever you want on it. As I said, you've got the option of Android Auto and CarPlay, and if I just flick back to the main menu, you can see it here. So as I said, wireless CarPlay, wired CarPlay, wireless Android Auto and wired Android Auto. I never actually installed the USB wire because I'll never be running it wired, so it's pretty pointless, and just more wires like behind all of here, which is not what you really want. Yeah, with this system as well, you've got the option to have a backup camera. So let me just put the car into reverse. Then you can see that come up there. Obviously it's going to be a blank screen because I don't actually have the thing fitted, the camera. So let me just put that back in neutral, and like even if I go back to the BMW side of things, which you can do there, so you can see everything. See, still fully functional. If I was to put it in reverse now, the camera still comes up, which is a nice little feature. And I know with like some Android units, you do actually have an issue there. So to actually get back to the main display of the Linux system, I was about to say Android, you just hold the menu button there, and then you can see it just pops up back there. So all you actually need to, damn, thought I didn't part there. Yeah, all you actually need to do is just put the, well, connect the Bluetooth to your phone. Once that's done, it will automatically pick it up each time like you enter the car. So yeah, it's really, really good. And obviously you've got the music tab, video, DVR, which is dash cam, which I've already got here. Shout out to Vialphone. And then the settings as well, settings option, so you can just change like all the main stuff there. I won't really go into it because there's not really any point. Style, like you can choose your background. So like if I was to do that one, see that there. As you can see, the screen's really, really responsive. I think I'll stick with that one. Yeah, as I said, you can see the screen's pretty responsive. Sound settings, and then like you can go into the factory options. So the code is 8866, I think. Yeah. So if you needed to, so if you had like a Pro Nav system, you'd need to go in there and change it, I believe. I don't know if it picks it up automatically because mine was on MBT 6.5 half. So what I've done is I've changed it to MBT high 8.8, and then I've coded the head unit to the 8.8 inch. So when I go back to the BMW side of things, right, as you can see there, if I go into like settings, it just behaves normally. So yeah, that's pretty decent. But yeah, I've tried it out, ran it. Android Auto is working perfectly fine. Like as I said, I cannot fault it at all. So look, I'll just quickly go, and then there you go. Look at that, instantly. It's just perfect, absolutely brilliant. As I said, you've got all your apps here. If you need to add anything on, you can do so. Yeah, man. Really nice addition to the car. It's a lot better than the Android system that I had in this car. So that one was a bit temperamental with this vehicle. The one I had in my 4 Series was absolutely brilliant. It's flawless. So yeah, I can't really slate an Android system, but this, it's a lot cheaper. So this come in at £200. That's including shipping, everything, and that comes, what I'll do, that comes from China, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can purchase it. My mate's actually gone and bought one as well. He got one yesterday off my recommendation. But yeah, really good system. Highly can recommend it. But yeah guys, just another quick install video. If you guys did enjoy, please like, share, subscribe. If you want to see anything more on that, just drop something in the comments. I'll be always happy to help out. Always willing to make a video on anything. But yeah guys, I'll catch you in another one. Have a nice day.